I don't know. I'm gonna use this strap. Hi everybody, this is Do0r Knob here. People often ask me, hey, how do you keep your big gut and little thin legs and little bitty arms in shape? And well, I work out, but I don't work out traditionally. I do odd things like this broken down lawnmower here with the two flat rear tires. I got to pull up to uphill to the garage, and I'm gonna attach this strap to me and pull that up there and get a good little workout. Zion's going to help me here and see if we can get some footage of it. It's a good workout, get the cardio going, you know, get the leg muscles, you know, you got to keep those leg muscles going because as you get older, your little legs, you know, they dwindle away. So Zion's attaching the strap there, and we're going to pull this up past my little junk pile here, up the hill to that garage, right up there. So anyway, let's get to this. You ready, Zion?
Yep, we're ready.
All right.
Oh, there's a lot tighter. I even have to put the right there.
Oh, on the mower? No, I'm working out. I don't want to use the other mower. Here we go. All right, we got some movement. There we go. Oh, we lost some movement. Oh, God. You ready?
Dragon.
Oh. Yeah, once tires get around a little bit, it's a lot easier. Oh, there we go. I'll get all that little hump, and I think I got this. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. All right, it's right on the hill. Pull it down a little bit, isn't it? It's oh. Okay. I know. Watch out. The motor's gonna take off down that hill. Don't. Oh. 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 Oh God.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, that didn't work out. That's good. Okay. We got the mower up here, but now we gotta fix that tire. The other one's got some holes in it, but we can fix that with some Fix-A-Flat.
Dad, do the holes to come out?
Yeah, we gotta fix the holes. All right, so what we do is we just the mower is it's not going to hurt anything in this case because it doesn't run anyway right now. So we'll just move this over and we're going to flip it up on its side to get the pressure off the tire. Just like that.
Wow.
And then I'm going to pull this up and put air pressure in here. And once it creates enough seal, it'll pop it back on that rim. And then we'll see how much air is leaking on this. And I'll just put some Fix-A-Flat in it.
Look, guys, there's a drink in there.
I know. It's got a drink in there. It's leaking, which it needs to. Okay. It's going to get loud with the compressor. Let's turn that on. All right. We ran out of daylight, so I had to wait till the day after work. I took the mower deck off of it. I looked at the engine. The engine isn't going to make it. So we're retooling this. I was going to make this into a snowplow for the winter, but we got hills and we got four wheels, even though they're kind of got holes in them. I think we'll take a downhill run. What do you think, Zion? You want to run this down the hill? You want me to run her down the hill?
Guys, we're going to go outside and see what Daddy's doing. Let's go. Come on, Adeline. What are you doing?
Hey, nothing. Well, the engine didn't work out, so I took all the stuff off of it, and we're going to take it down the hill.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, you, come on, guys, help Daddy push it.
Oh,
Really
my
heavy.
Lord.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
What am I going to do with him?
You guys ready? Yeah. All right, hi, everybody. This is Do0r Knob, Season 1, Episode 2. We got a reconditioned lawnmower, and we're going to take it downhill and I'm gonna go through the bush and see how far I can go. I got a break, I think. Huh? You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let me start this video. I'm gonna capture this moment. There we go. All right. Okay,
still
let's
can't
give
believe
Daddy a
he's doing
push,
this.
guys.
Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Come on, push. Come on, Abram, push. There you go. There you go. Good. A little bit more. You're doing it, babies. That's my troop.
Goof troop.
Careful, you all right, buddy? All right, I think I got it here. Okay, guys, let's do it.
Let go. Okay, put it down, honey.
Oh, maybe a little bit more. Here, Haven. I'll wear it.
Yeah, then we can see where you fly when you go off the...
Safety first. Let's go.
My goodness.
Push, Zion.
Zion's doing it himself.
You better go away. I love you, but I hate that snake. Can't keep him around. Hey, but what a total waste. I'd love to go and take your place. Lay deep in the ground. Die, die, on in the next dawn. I'm dead, I'm warning yourself.
You made it.
That was less than spectacular.
Pretty boring?
Well, the one tire's pretty bad. It went flat on the way down.
Oh.
So, I didn't crash. Cheerleading here.
Yep.
Oh, this is Do0r Knob. Thanks for joining us. Sorry it wasn't so spectacular, but hope you enjoyed the video.